Mailchimp has done it again. It's going against us, it's banning us, and this is just a nonsense. So here's a Web3 Mailchimp alternative. So just for those of you that are not aware, we saw a lot of recent news saying that Mailchimp is starting to ban again crypto content creators without prior notice. We were taking a look to Mailchimp terms of service, and apparently they can do whatever they want, and they're going against that because they don't understand the industry. They are old-fashioned. They are like, they don't even remember that there was a time when they were a startup and they were innovating, and this is just not going to stop. This is going to continue. Mailchimp was making more than $900 million in 2019, was acquired by Intuit, a larger company that are not very friendly to us. Luckily, we got a lot of clients that approach to us and be like, Jorge, I know you're building a Web3 Mailchimp alternative. What can we do? So in this video, the first message that I want to tell you is you're not alone. And secondly, we are fighting really hard against Mailchimp, and this will never again happen with ZooTools, with our product. I want to share with you in this video a demo of our product so you can actually know that there is an alternative in the market. There is an alternative that is for Web3. And something really magical about us is that right now we are managing more than 70,000 subscribers to our clients, and we have more than 1,000 customers using our product. So we are super gifted that the Web3 community is actually going all in with us because they know that we are the next generation of tools. So here is the dashboard. So this is pretty similar to Mailchimp. You have your subscribers list here, and we actually created an importer, a CSV importer. So in a matter of a minute, you can actually get away from Mailchimp and start using us. A lot of clients that they imported like 30,000 members, 20,000 members, 5,000 members. So from the day one, we actually were born with scalability from the get-go. You can also share the viral forms, which is a self-hosted form where you can share and invite anybody in your community. And the very magical thing about our viral forms is that it helps you to essentially get more users and more customers, because when I sign up for you, I will get a referral link that I can share on my social accounts. I can share with everybody, and I can also see a leaderboard. So everybody will be incentivized to get more points, to buy more friends, and to help you and your business to grow and to reach more people. And by the way, the viral form is something that you can customize here with your own brands. We are actually soon really adding different templates and different ways for you to even customize it this further. We also have the campaigns. So that is something that is super important, right? So you are creating an amazing subscriber list, but now what, right? So how do I engage with them? How do I actually create marketing campaigns? So this is our product called Campaigns. And this is very special because apart from emails, there is many more options for you to engage with your customers, and we'll keep adding more. So that's something that we would definitely love to get your feedback to keep improving that and keep expanding the use cases. I'm just creating a new email campaign right here, right now. Here is our email builder. So you can customize, drag and drop anything here. We are keep iterating on this. So let us know your feedback. So you can send a test email, or you can just go ahead and just send everything to your subscribers. So I just click here and bam, I've just sent the email campaign right away. So as you can tell, super powerful, super simple to use. It's actually the easiest tool in the market to create email campaigns. And you can directly reach out to me or our Twitter accounts 24/7. We are at ZooTools HQ or JG Ferredo everywhere. And yeah, just let us know. And if you have any use cases, any questions, just feel free to reach out to us at support@zootools.co. I know you. We also hate traditional marketing tools. We are disrupting the industry with our business model, with our functionalities, and we are super excited to have you here. So yeah, just let us know. And if you have any questions, we are here 24/7 for you.